today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Outlook interface by changing the ribbon display option to the classic format. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool for managing your emails, calendars, and contacts, but sometimes navigating through the interface can be a bit overwhelming with its modern ribbon setup. If you're like me and prefer a more straightforward and familiar interface, switching to the classic ribbon can make a world of difference. So let's get started with this simple guide. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Outlook application. If you haven't already, start by locating the Outlook icon on your computer. It might be pinned to your taskbar or perhaps on your desktop or within your Start menu. Double-click to open it up, and once it loads, you'll find yourself in your main Outlook dashboard, where you can see your emails, calendar, and various other features. Once you have Outlook open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. Here you'll find a button labeled Ribbon Display Options. It might look like a small icon with an arrow pointing downwards. It's important to know that this little button holds the key to customizing your Outlook experience, so go ahead and give it a click. After clicking Ribbon Display Options, a menu will appear with different display settings. These options include the possibility to hide the ribbon, to show tabs only, or to display everything using the more modern or the classic ribbon layout. Since we're aiming for a more traditional look, you'll want to select Classic Ribbon from this drop-down menu. Simply click on Classic Ribbon and you should immediately notice the change in your interface. Switching to the Classic Ribbon displays a more compact and familiar toolbar, which can enhance productivity by reducing the complexity and streamlining your access to frequently used functions. This setup mimics the look and feel of older versions of Outlook, allowing you to work efficiently without unnecessary distractions. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully updated your Outlook view to the classic ribbon format. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. By having this setup, you ensure a smoother, more streamlined experience that can make managing your emails and scheduling that much simpler. I hope you found this guide helpful. Making such small adjustments can significantly enhance your workflow and overall Outlook experience. If you enjoyed this video, or if you have further questions about customizing your Microsoft Outlook, feel free to leave a comment or check out other helpful videos available on our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day with your newly updated Outlook interface.